Hello guys! Welcome to Infinky Infopedia, and today we're diving into something that's been making waves in the AI community, Gemini, Google's newest and most capable AI model. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, so you never miss out on the latest tech insights. Let's get started. Google has always been at the forefront of artificial intelligence, and with Gemini, they're taking it to a whole new level. It's their latest and most advanced AI model yet, and it's got the tech world buzzing. Now, I know you're all eager to understand what sets Gemini apart, so let's break down the key features. First up is architecture. Gemini boasts an architecture that's more intricate than ever before. It's a massive neural network with billions of parameters, making it one of the largest AI models. And you know what that means: unprecedented processing power. The Google team goes in depth on the architecture, detailing how they've fine-tuned Gemini to handle a wide range of tasks. It's not just about raw power, it's about efficiency and versatility. Now, let's talk about Gemini's multimodal abilities. This is where things get really interesting. Gemini is designed to understand and generate content across various modalities: text, images, and even audio. It's not just limited to one type of data, it can seamlessly integrate information from different sources. Check out this demonstration where Gemini generates realistic images based on textual descriptions. It's like having an AI that can visualize your thoughts. The implications for creative industries are mind-blowing. So, what does all this mean for real-world applications? Well, Gemini isn't just a theoretical concept. Google has showcased its practical uses in a variety of fields. Gemini is transforming industries such as healthcare, finance, and entertainment. From medical image analysis to content creation, Gemini is proving to be a versatile tool with the potential to revolutionize how we approach complex problems. Now, it wouldn't be responsible to talk about AI without addressing the ethical aspects. Gemini, being a powerful AI, raises questions about privacy, bias, and accountability. Experts discuss the ethical considerations surrounding Gemini. It's crucial to understand the potential risks and ensure that as this technology advances, it's used responsibly and ethically. The success of Gemini AI could revolutionize the AI industry. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can understand you better than ever before. The possibilities are endless. Gemini has surpassed GPT-4 in natural language understanding, showcasing remarkable advancements in language models. So, there you have it, the lowdown on Gemini, Google's latest AI marvel. It's an exciting time in the world of artificial intelligence, and Gemini is undoubtedly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let me know your thoughts on Gemini in the comments below. Until next time, thanks for watching.